Right, Nick, can you explain to us about the unique extraction features on your actual gun launch machines?
Yes. All Drester Ace machines are equipped with a unique, world's first, high-speed extraction system. And the way it operates is that the working area is surrounded by a compartment where we have slots taking care of the actual extraction. So when I open the lid, I got solvent inside, and the extraction takes place at the circumference of the working area.
And creating like a barrier.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we capture all vapors at the source. And this is a feature we call capture at source.